Lightly score around the insulation with a knife. Try not to cut the wires. Cut off this little fuzzy part. Undo all the twisted pairs. Then use a screwdriver or something just to take the kink out of them. So they're kind of straight. And here's the wiring code right on the tool itself. And I drew a little picture of which way the connector goes. I'm using pin B, that's kind of the standard. I don't know why they didn't choose A. So just line up your wires, following the code. So it's white, orange, white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, and brown. Line them up like that. I like to just trim the end off so I have a nice flat surface to work with. Then with the connector, like that, pin 1's on this side. Slide it in, they go all the way through. Make sure your colors are right. Twist these up, then you won't have a mess. Slide it in, it only fits in one side one way. There's a cutter on this side that'll cut the end off. Push it in as far as you can go, squeeze the tool. And that's it.